So, hey everyone, Vikas Sharma this side. So, today we are going to discuss some stocks for intraday for 12th September and also Bank Nifty and Nifty. So, today we start in English. We are going to do this video in English because some of them are like around 30% are from southern side, so they are don't able to understand what I am talking. So, today we are going to discuss stocks in English. So, if you are not able to understand the English, please comment down in comment section and tell. I would make separate video for Hindi and English. If you are not able to understand in English, okay. So let's start. The first stock is Delta Corp. So this stock, what should I? Yeah, there is support zone here. This is support zone on the stock. Let me check first from big frame. What? Oh, something different, man. This is big fall. Actually, from around 1 or 2 months, I didn't see the chart of Delta Corp. So that's okay. When we analyze on 1 day frame and put Fibonacci from top to bottom, what? Oh, this is the most important zone. When okay, let me tell you about some Fibonacci, that if this trend is something different, like let me draw a trend. Hmm. This trend is like this, so uh, on if we put Fibonacci on this trend, the most important level is 50%, but this is sharp fall which is just about to happen, just happened in this is very sharp fall in Delta Corp. So the 20% level is most important level for in Fibonacci. Okay, because sometime what happened that the sharp fall, 20% rejection, then trend continue. This happens in most of the charts when sharp fall are there, not because this is clearly seen there's a sharp fall. No any not even this is just a small pullback. This is some big, but also there is a support zone here, but most of the see where the biggest trend. So let us discuss for 15 for intraday on 15 minutes. Let's see what we see in this chart. So we count 30 minutes. Let's see on 30 minutes first. Because the fall scares me, man. Hmm. Okay. So mm, this stock may continue the trend because there's a breakdown here. But should we sell here? Let me. So there is a breakdown here from this trend line, or can trend continue from here? The major trend bearish can continue. So 15 minute can okay. Let so there is a symmetrical triangle here also in Delta Corp, and most probably its breakdown here can go down here from here. This is okay. If you sell this stock, where we put our stop losses. So let's discuss. So if we short here, like to definitely wait for retest and another red candle from here, and you can put SL on 210 rupees, and your target becomes this 205. You can target for this around 204. These are the levels for Delta Corp, and I avoid for long in Delta Corp. Okay, and the next stock is Sipla. Okay, no, this is Hmm. What did I see in this chart? Let me explain one main point. This is the breakdown from steep trend line you can target for a year because stock is weak, looking weak because this is every time every structure on we talk if we talk about 15 minutes, 1 day, 1 hour, 1 week, always stock work in the same way because there's a trend line here. This is very steep. First of all, no pullback here, just going up and up. But if there is a breakdown here, we can bet for selling here, but not for big targets. We can book our profits here around 1043 if we short in this and we put our SL above here. So this is the supply chart. So next stock is motors. 1 day. Let's see what happening on the 1 day. Okay, let me show you one more thing in this chart. What I just spotted, like this is if we join these two points from the trend line, the third level came here and here the rejection. This is how price action work. How good our price action you can see from here. Now we talk for intraday on 15 minutes. Let us see what happening. Okay, what did I see in this stock? This is what I see. There's a clear trend line. Okay, let's see some bigger view on 30-minute timer. What is stock is telling? Okay, there is also major thing. Now what I see. Let me tell you something. Sorry. This is fall. This is pullback. This is another fall, and this could be go up to here if stock break this level around 449 450 level. If stock able to break, can go here and take rejection from here, and also able to. Okay, here also the resistance for the stock. Let me mark first, then I will explain. This is also they go. Let now you can. Oh, sorry. Now you can see clearly the rejection from this resistance to here. देखो, here the rejection from this resistance. But if stock able to break this level, you can buy from here for 457, which I tell you in this trend line, which I make on. Okay. And there's here also a trend line. If also able to make break this level of 450, you can buy this stock. Otherwise, if you want to sell, wait for this trend line to break, can continue trend from here, and you can bet for first 450. Then if you want more points, do SL. Please keep trailing the SL. Your SL become here for above this level. Okay, if you short in this stock, there's trend line. You should make trend line here from, and then breakdown. You can sell from there. Okay, then the stock is which stock I finalized. Let me remember. Escorts is a good. It's a good stock for also when you see its 1 day chart frame is also looking good on the. Let me here. There's a breakout from previous high. Here's the breakout. Now stock coming again for the retest, but on 15-minute time frame, it's also making some support there, taking some support of downhill. Let me mark in so you can see easily at there. This is the support now. Probably you can avoid short in this stock because stock is on breakout. We don't know where it can move from. If you short, maybe it can move from here. Your SL hits, maybe from here. Anything can possible. So avoid short in the stock. You can buy uh, if this stock is break, and add more quantity if this level is break. Okay, and your SL will become here. Okay, so let's discuss now Nifty. Nifty 50. Yeah, just analyzing this. Hmm. So, um, first we check on the 5 minute time frame. You can probably see good. Yeah, there's a trend line. Just making make okay. Hmm. This is the trend line which respected by Nifty, but again I have to make this trend line. Okay, so we don't able to judge where this Nifty can go. If we buy above this level, and we can short here when it break down this trend line and cross this level. So around 785 to 865. Okay, around 785 to 15, or around 80 points. We don't able to judge where the Nifty can go. There's also a trend line which I just see, but wait for this level. Definitely wait for this level to make any buying position in Nifty. Okay, this level, this is the important level, 17,800 75. You can take it, like 17,870 level is most important for the long, and for the short you can sell below 17,080. Okay, this 90 point range, we are confused in that. And also if we see on bigger time frame like 15 minutes, there is also a trend line which I just which I am going to mark. This is also a very important trend line. Okay. Hmm. When we mark this trend line, okay, so Nifty can come if able to break this trend line which I discussed on 5 minute breakdown, sorry. So if able to break down this, Nifty can come here around level of 17,750. Okay, and also in Bank Nifty, same structure is, Bank Nifty is making same structure. So let's discuss, yeah, which I mentioned in Nifty. There's also same trend line in Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the confusion zone 40,275 to 40,488. This is confusion zone in also Bank Nifty. And there's also trend line in Bank Nifty. If able to break this, can come here. It's the same as Nifty. You can see. Okay, and also well, I'm going to mention one stock. Those are members, not members, are viewers commented about the stock. Please analyze MCX. What is the level of the stock? So there's a time I can uh, analyze the stock. I find something good, knowledgeable in the stock MCX. Yeah, yes, I'm analyzing the stock. Like if you want to buy MCX, wait for this trend line to wait for the stock to come at this trend line. Where's brush? Okay, can stock come here, because right now stock is consolidating at here. This is a consolidation 14 Feb to today, around 7 months the stock is consolidating here. If able to break and come here, you can buy. This is a buying zone for MCX. You can expect a good move, because this is like, this is the first thing where stock can move that big. Now if stock come here around the level of 11,000, sorry, 11